the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you are safe. Yes. Hi everyone, my name is Martin and welcome to Watu wa Insurance. If this is your first time to be here, we do reviews on insurance and especially within the Kenyan market. And in today's conversation, I want us to look into one of the most important things that you need to know if you are a driver or a user of roads within the Kenyan space. And that is, what do you do in the event you find yourself in a road accident? And this specifically, it's in regards to insurance. Okay, I have done my small analysis. I have done a few interviews with drivers, and I have noted that most of our road users, more than 50%, don't understand the procedures of how do you approach an accident, or what do you need to do after an accident, especially to make sure that you are having the right information, or you record the right information that will help you process the insurance claim. So let's dive into it. Number one, what do you need to do after an accident happens to you? The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you are safe. Yes, I know you are wondering. You are talking about safety. We already found ourselves in an accident. In the event that, God forbid, it's a fatal accident, you need to call ambulance services immediately, because you want to make sure that the people who are casualties, or the casualties that you have in the accident, are taken care of first. So before you do any other thing, call ambulance services. So I believe there are over 20 service providers in this space, but just allow me to pick one that I have found, that is Red Cross, the Red Cross services. And the reason why this is not an advert, the reason why I have picked them is because they offer services within the 47 counties. That's the only reason, and probably in the coming videos we'll be able to review some of the services, service providers, that is ambulance service providers in the market, at least for you to understand who to call at which point and where, depending on maybe your preference. But for Red Cross, their number is 0700 395 395 or 0738 395 395. Again, this is not an advert. I'm just picking them because it's important for you to have those contacts in case you find yourself in an accident. And again also, maybe you are not the person involved in an accident. Umepata mtu amepata ajali, not necessarily you, or not necessarily someone who is associated with you. You can help them get the ambulance services. Number two thing that you need to do is to call police. In the event that you feel that your accident, or the extent of the accident, you may not be able to sort the issue with the third party, call police. And we have a police number which is toll free, that is 999 or 911 or 112. Those are their toll free emergency numbers. Call police. And the reason why it's important to call police is because you need a police abstract to do the claim with the insurance company. Number three, take photos. Make sure that you take photos of the parties, of the scene. They are very good because they will help the investigation process. Okay, just to make sure that the person who is liable for the accident is taken to account. And also it's good for the insurance company when they are doing the process, because if it's going to go the legal way, the insurance company will do the procedure of doing the investigation, and those photos or the images or the videos that you take will be very important. And also make sure that you don't miss taking the insurance details from all the parties involved in the car, whether it's a car, whether it's a motorbike. Pick your picture here, insurance cover for that car or that motorbike. You get what I mean? Yes. And also number four, make sure that you call your insurance agent or your insurance company, because they will help you. Let me say this, there are high chances that you'll panic after an accident. I'm sure accidents are sometimes very traumatizing, and sometimes you may panic and fail to get the right information. So make sure that you call your agent who will guide you through the process of what to do, so that you don't miss to take the details that you need that will help you when you are claiming or for compensation. Okay, so some of the information that probably you need to do, to take, this is just a tip. Make sure that you take the contact of the persons involved. Kama ni driver wa hiyo gari ingine, make sure that you take the contact and the address. Very important, because you need to do a follow-up. Kama ni mtu wa motorbike, make sure that you try to get their contacts. That is, if the accident is not fatal, and if also you are in a position to do that. This information is very important, not necessarily for the parties involved in the accident, but also for you. Unaweza enda upatane na accident, make sure that you help the parties involved in the accident. So make sure that you take the contacts of the people involved in the accident. Pia usisahau kuchukua picha ya insurance covers from the other motorist. Is that okay? And in our next video, we look at what happens after you report a car accident. That is the insurance claim or claiming process. So wait for the next video and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss our next video. So thank you very much and God bless you. Bye bye.